If you have been using convex for a while, you have probably accessed an environment variable with process.env. And while it works, it's easy to make a typo or use a variable that isn't actually there. Most of the time, you only find out there is a problem when your app stops working. Now, there is a new way to implement environment variables with convex. You can declare environment variables your application expects directly in your configuration. Convex will validate them automatically and generate a typed env object that you can use in your code. I think it's a really nice feature, so let's give it a try. For this video, I have created a brand new Next.js project with convex. Before we write any code, let's see how to set up this feature. Everything starts in convex.config.ts file. This is where we declare the environment variables our application needs. For example, let's say my application uses Stripe API key. I can declare Stripe API key and specify that it must be a string. Here, convex uses the same v validators we already use for schemas and function arguments. We can declare a simple string with v.string or make a variable optional with v.optional. Once the variables are declared, we just run npx convex dev. And if a required variable is missing or invalid, convex can detect it before your code even runs. From there, we can import env from generator server and use env.stripe API key instead of process.env stripe API key. One important thing to understand is that declaring a variable in convex.config does not create its value. We are only describing what the application expects. The actual values are configured separately. You can add them from convex dashboard in the environment variables section. Or if you prefer working from the terminal, convex also provides CLI commands to create, update, and remove environment variables. The idea is to keep the configuration and the values separate. In convex.config, we define the contract with our application. And in the dashboard or the CLI, we provide the actual values for each environment. And that's all you need to get started with typed environment variables in convex. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.